Hey guys, Tina Williams here. I am really we are doing an incredible event. Me and my business partner, Anthony Reed, who is an incredible internet expert who's made six figures in this internet marketing industry, and myself, who has a background in network marketing, are coming together to kind of share some incredible tips about how you can make six figures in 6 months. And we're going to be mapping it out and very detailed information. So even the most layman person, if you were like me, when I got started with this company, I could only send an email and I could only sign on to Facebook. Even if you're as layman as I was, or even if you're an internet expert like Anthony Reed, or if you have network marketing experience, or you're a home-based business person, or you have no experience in business at all, then you will love the information we're going to share with you. And also on top of that, we are also going to be sharing some really value impacted information that's going to help you in your everyday life with your job or with your business. So even if you walk away saying, you know what, that wasn't for me, which is absolutely okay, then you will still walk away with something that's going to benefit you. It's a special bonus that we're going to be doing for all of our listeners at the end of the event. And all you have to do is just click the link below, register. Make sure you register early because seats are filling up super fast and we're limited. And make sure you register and get on early and stay for the whole entire thing, because I promise you are going to be so excited about what you get from it. And if you don't, then we'll have a special surprise for you as well. So either way, it's a win-win situation. I look forward to seeing you guys on Sunday the 25th. And just remember, click the link below and you'll get the information then. Bye.